Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, today we're going to install the timing chain cover. Now before we do that, we need to clean this portion of the engine where the cover sits. So we need to clean this RTV off with the help of a blade or your fingernails. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So let's get to it.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life.
Guys, another important place to clean is right over here where the bolt goes in. So you need to clean around this part. Just remove all the seals from there. You can use your fingernails to remove this. Just make sure that you don't put this into the engine. Try to get it out. So it should finally look like this. Finally, I need to also wipe it clean with kerosene and a piece of cloth. So I cleaned it pretty well, guys. On the bottom side here, I couldn't reach with the blade, so I just used my fingernails and I got most of the RTV out. And all the way to the top, it's all good now. I also wiped it off with WD-40 sprayed on a cloth. It's all good now. I just have to go to the top left corner. It's a bit bad there. This RTV was soaked in oil and that's the reason why it came off pretty easily. But doing it on the timing chain cover was such a pain because there were crevices inside that and I couldn't reach it. But this is just a flat surface, so it's easier to clean. So before we install the timing chain cover, we need to apply Toyota seal packing, the black RTV on certain points. I'll show you where. So you need to apply RTV around this point.
I never miss that fact, taking big swings, jam to the bat, put me in the ring.
Then you need to apply it over here.
You'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light.
You also need to apply it over here.
Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's
You have to apply RTV around this part, over here, and then on the engine side you need to apply it where the head meets the block. That's over here, one point over here. You can also follow this diagram on the left on the 4 points where you should put the sealant on.
so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Let's go down.
How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to
You need to apply it over here. And you also need to apply it up here. So you need to apply it at 4 points. One over here, one over here, one up there, and the other one over here. Now you can install the timing chain cover. Guys, while installing the timing chain cover, don't forget to put in this 10 mm bolt on the timing chain cover while you install it, because after you install the timing chain cover you cannot install this bolt as the AC compressor would come in the way. Also be very quick, guys. After you put the sealant on the timing chain cover and on the engine side, you need to install the timing chain cover within 3 minutes or else the sealant would start drying up. So make sure you complete the entire process of installing the timing chain cover and all the bolts within 3 minutes. So you got to be pretty quick.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel?
Let's install the three 12mm bolts. It's a nut for the top. On this corner, it's the smallest 10mm bolt that goes in. Don't send in a longer bolt or you will damage the cover. Now we need to torque tighten all the timing chain cover 10mm bolts to 11 Newton meter. So I set it to 11 Newton meter and 19 Newton meter for the 12mm bolts. So this is very important. Torque tighten it.
Live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane.
And that's it guys, that's how we install the timing chain cover on the 2ZZGE engine. If you guys found this video informative and useful, please do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Dan signing out.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time.